Hello students, today we will start with the chapter 3, Fiber to Fabric. Topics to be covered in this chapter are Introduction, Fibers, Natural Fibers, Wool, in that animals yielding wool, processing fibers into wool, silk, in that life history of silk, processing of silk. As you can see in the slide, different clothes are there. We are wearing clothes according to the season. Like cotton clothes we are wearing during the summer as it keeps us cool. Woolen clothes we are wearing during the winter. It keeps us warm. Silk, which is used to make the saris and dresses. There are other fibers like polyester, rayon, nylon are there, which is used to make fabrics. In the previous class, we have read how cotton fibers are obtained from the cotton plants. In this chapter, we will study how fibers are obtained from animals. Before moving in detail, let us see what are fibers. What are fibers? When we talk about silk, cotton, polycotton, that all are the fabric which are used to make the clothes. But what are fibers? So fibers are thread-like structure which forms the fabrics. So if you look at the sweater or even the wool itself consists of the thin thread or the filament-like structure. This thread is nothing but they are fibers. These fibers woven together, they form the fabrics. So the thread-like structure which constitute of various composite materials. What sort of material when we talk about wool? It is also made of some thread-like fibers. Silk, that is also made of some thread-like fibers. If you try to look at the silk cloth, you can see the threads are woven together to make the clothes. Now the types of fibers. So there are the two types of fibers, natural fibers and artificial fibers. Natural fiber means the fibers which are obtained from the nature or from our surrounding, while artificial fibers, also known as the synthetic fibers, which is made by man or it is made from the certain chemicals. Again, the natural fibers are of two types, plant fiber and the animal fiber. In this slide, you can see there are the certain examples of the plant fibers like cotton, jute, flax plant and the coir, which is obtained from the coconut tree. There are two examples of the animal fiber, wool and silk. Artificial fibers like rayon, polyester, nylon, terylene are some human-made or synthetic fibers. These fibers are made by different chemicals.